Reading further, King George III and his colonies. King George III took the throne in Great Britain in 1760. Within a few years, tension between Great Britain and the colonies began to grow. His personality traits and attitudes created tensions. How did the king's point of view contribute to the break between his country and its American colonies? In 1748, a 10-year-old British boy named George acted in a play. He took the role of a noble hero, Cato. In the play, the ruler of Cato's country has become a tyrant. He has stopped listening to the people and has begun to behave as a dictator. But Cato believes deeply in the people's right to freedom. Rather than given to a tyrant, Cato chooses to fight and die. A day, an hour of liberty, he says, is worth a whole eternity in bondage. The play was popular in Great Britain at the time, and many people agreed with its ideas about liberty. Young George also believed in these ideas. He knew that he would one day be the king of Great Britain, which would give him great power and influence. But he believed that he must use his power for the good of the country. He realized that it would be his job to ensure the freedom and well-being of his people. The young man took these duties very seriously. At that time, becoming king might have seemed in the far distant future to Prince George. His grandfather, George II, sat on the royal throne. His father, Prince Frederick, was next in line to be the King of Great Britain. Prince Frederick was just 41 years old, and it appears likely that George would have to wait many years to become a king.